It is a half and half weekend where the first half of the weekend is going to be better than the second half of the weekend weather-wise. I'm Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Weather Impact Team, and this is an extended weekend outlook for you so you can get a good understanding on what we're going to see here on that half and half weekend. And in a nutshell, Saturday is going to be warm and dry, and then Sunday it is not only going to be cooler, but we're going to see some rain that is going to be moving in. Now, within that, we'll even divide Sunday up into a few more segments here where it's not going to be raining all day on Sunday. We're thinking in the morning hours on Sunday, there's a better coverage of rain. Will dry out late morning to early afternoon, and then late afternoon into evening, that's when we're going to be dealing with some scattered showers around. So this will kind of break it up for you some on your Sunday. The main coverage of rain will be really overnight Saturday into early on Sunday. In the morning hours on Sunday, so we're going to have that better coverage of rain. So if you're going to be going out to brunch or heading out to church early on Sunday, that's when you'll need your umbrella, definitely. But then through the morning hours, those showers will break up a little bit. We'll have drier weather, some dry hours from late morning into early afternoon. And then it's late afternoon when we see some more showers coming in here. But even that is not going to be a constant rain. It's going to be just scattered. So really the theme of the day of what you need to do, keep your umbrella with you because you'll definitely need it for Sunday morning. Then you won't need it mid-morning to early afternoon. Then you'll need it off and on for late afternoon and into the evening hours as we see those showers scattered around a little bit more. Now, the thing about these showers is that we're not expecting anything severe here. And again, on Saturday, we're not even expecting any rain to move into our area. So we're going to be fine here. Where we're going to be watching in the southeast for the potential for some severe weather is going to be generally along the Gulf Coast region, South Alabama, talking about the Florida Panhandle there, South Alabama, Southern Mississippi, Louisiana, and also back into Texas. That's where there's a level 1 of 5 risk for some stronger storms that could be possible there, but we think they would be a little more isolated down again to the south of us. Then going into Sunday, that's when we're going to see our chance for rain, but we're not worried about those showers in North Georgia turning severe. We're thinking the severe weather threat would be parts of the Panhandle into North Florida, southwest, southeastern parts of Alabama, and southern Georgia. And again, that's where there would be a level 1 of 5 risk. So lower risk for mainly just some isolated, stronger or severe storms that could be happening there. As far as we're concerned in North Georgia, yes, we're going to have some rain around, but the light green color is just indicating general showers, maybe a thunderstorm, but again, we're not thinking that it's going to be severe here with that better chance for rain during the day on Sunday. So here's the forecast track going through the weekend, and we're starting this for early on Saturday morning where we have a few clouds around. Those clouds breaking up once we get to through the morning hours into the afternoon on Saturday. Things actually looking pretty good here. We're looking dry. That sunshine is going to help us warm things up a little bit. The other thing that's going to help us is, again, just a few clouds that'll be mixing in here and there with those temperatures that are going to be up into the low and even some mid-70s in spots. But these clouds not really giving us any rain on Saturday. Once we get to the overnight hours, Saturday into Sunday, that's when this system is going to move through pretty quickly. Now, you saw that move through kind of quickly here with that main batch of rain already by 7 in the morning, pushing over to the east of us in Atlanta. We may start drying out a little earlier in the day on your Sunday. At lunchtime, still mainly dry with a few clouds that'll be mixing in. And then on Sunday night, really this is the late afternoon into the nighttime hours, a few more scattered showers are going to start developing here. So the morning hours, the timeline, when the rain chances will be a little bit higher. Then going into Sunday late afternoon into evening, that's when things will be a little more scattered. And again, that heavier rain looks like it's going to be well down to the south. But then look, late Sunday night, you can see these showers that'll be pushing in. Those will have some mainly light rain, some pockets of moderate and even heavy rain possible at times for late on Sunday. But again, nothing strong out of that, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder. And then some of these showers are going to linger into Monday. Now, The timing has been changing a little bit from model run to model run as to how long these showers could stick around on Monday. This is still showing around 7 o'clock for your drive into work. That we'll still see those showers around, but then tapering off. This is at lunchtime. So notice that through those morning hours on Monday, even though it's going to be wet for the first part of the day, through mid-morning and by lunchtime, we really think that the back edge of the rain is already going to be pushing off to the east, and we'll see improving weather here on Monday. Now, on Sunday, not only are we going to see that rain around, it is also going to be cool with temperatures in the 50s. And then on Monday, we start to warm up a little bit. We'll generally go back up into the 60s, but the really nicer weather, the warmer weather that we're going to be enjoying, that will be on Tuesday as well as on Wednesday. So here's a look at those rain chances. Not worried about rain on Saturday. Sunday, 50% chance for showers. Then Monday, a 30% chance for showers. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, it will be drying out. So again, the weekend is not a washout. It's actually going to be pretty nice here on Saturday, starting off with clouds. And then we'll see dry weather, warm weather. Sunday is the time frame where it's not going to be raining all day long. There'll be some showers early, some breaks, and then a few more showers later on in the day. So there will be some dry times there too. The other thing will be those changes in the temperatures. It is going to be warm on Saturday, where we see this warm air settled right on top of us with that mixture of sunshine and clouds. Once we go into Sunday, though, that cooler air starts to move in. And with that rain off and on, we're going to see high temperatures that are going to be in the 50s here on your Sunday. Then watch this cool air that'll be with us late Sunday, early on Monday. But then watch how it just really disappears, all right, going in through the day on Tuesday, and the warmer air is going to come back. That's when we go back into the 70s here for Tuesday, as well as on Wednesday, with that nice, comfortable air and still plenty of sunshine that we're going to have around the area as well. So the low temperatures through the weekend, mild Saturday morning, a low of 52, a high of 47, and then progressing past the weekend, you see Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, still lows in the 40s. Coolest morning we think will be on Tuesday morning at 42, then 45 on Wednesday. And the high temperatures, highest on Saturday here for the weekend. The warmest day of the weekend is on Saturday. Then Sunday, that change in temperatures, again, still with some of that rain around off and on, 57. Monday, the rain ends early. We begin to warm up, but not too warm there, up to 61. The warmer air will be on Tuesday and also into Wednesday of next week. So again, Sunday, we're seeing that moisture that's going to be moving in. Again, not raining all day, some breaks here and there, especially into the afternoon. Then in the evening, a few more showers. This holding on to Monday morning before that wraps up and moves on out of our area, again, giving us that nice weather for Tuesday as well as on Wednesday. So here's that 7-day outlook. Be sure to check back with us for any of those changes that we're going to be monitoring within the models, either on temperatures or on rain chances or the timing. The timing on Sunday is a little bit tricky, where the models are trying to show, some models trying to show the rain mainly overnight on Saturday, ending by early morning on Sunday. Other models are showing it still lingering through the morning hours on Sunday. So we'll be fine-tuning that here for you for the weekend. But based on what we're seeing, temperatures will be warm Saturday. That's the better day of the weekend days, that half and half weekend. First half nice, second half wetter and cooler, highs near 57. Rain ending on Monday, lingering with us most likely for your morning commute Monday morning, and then tapering off through the mid-morning hours with highs near 61 degrees. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny, a low of 42, high of 72. We're up to 75 on Wednesday with that mostly sunny sky, looking really good. Thursday, another system moving in, and this is one that the models aren't totally agreeing on either. Right now, we've got about a 30% chance for showers on Thursday with a high of 69, then dry on Friday with highs near 73.